Hello everyone, welcome to the White Army. The White Army is a dedicated platform for medical students providing high quality educational content, career guidance and clinical case discussions to help you excel in your medical journey. Since its inception 10 years ago, we have been offering many entrance exam guidance sessions with expert insights, preparation strategies and high yield topics. We have conducted hundreds of clinical case discussions with real world cases explained in a very simplified and conceptual manner by the best of the best teachers in our country. So many medical career counseling sessions helping you navigate undergraduation, postgraduation and super-specialization choices. We conducted mental health and motivational sessions to strategize how to cope up with the stress, burnouts and exam pressures. We also conduct guest interviews and live sessions to learn from the best, the most experienced and seasoned examiners, achievers and educators. Please join us in building a strong, confident and motivated community of future doctors. Join us to be the part of the White Army because medicine is more than just a profession, it's a mission. Thank you.